Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a world where dreams become reality, where abundance flows effortlessly, and where your financial worries melt away. Today, we invite you on a journey of discovery as we delve deep into the secrets of personal finance, wealth manifestation, and self-improvement. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others are left struggling to make ends meet? Perhaps you've questioned whether there's a hidden formula that successful individuals possess, something they know that eludes the rest of us. Well, you're in the right place, because today we're about to reveal that very formula. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or empty promise. No, we're talking about something far more powerful and transformative, the power of beliefs and mindset in manifesting wealth. You see, your thoughts, your beliefs, they hold immense power. And when harnessed correctly, they can unlock the doors to financial abundance. But before we embark on this transformative journey, we have a humble request. As you immerse yourself in this video, we invite you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll ensure that you never miss out on the incredible content we have in store for you. Okay, let's begin. The law of attraction has gained immense popularity in recent years as people seek ways to manifest their desires, including financial abundance. This universal principle suggests that our thoughts and beliefs have the power to shape our reality. By aligning our energy with our intentions, we can attract positive experiences, opportunities, and even money into our lives. At its core, the law of attraction states that like attracts like. This means that the energy we emit through our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs attracts similar energy back to us from the universe. In other words, if we focus on positive thoughts and emotions, we will attract positive experiences and opportunities, including financial abundance. It is important to avoid getting too emotionally attached to money and to break free from negative beliefs that may have been imposed on us. Money itself is not inherently bad. It is our perception and connection to it that can be problematic. Our strong beliefs, rather than mere wishes, are what can manifest our dreams. By cultivating a positive mindset and beliefs about money, we can attract wealth and abundance into our lives. There is a profound connection between our beliefs and the reality we create. Let's first dive into the practical steps for implementing the magnetic wallet method. This method focuses on your everyday interaction with your wallet and money to attract more abundance into your life. The first step is to always keep some money in your wallet, regardless of the amount. This sends a signal to your subconscious mind that you always have money and abundance in your life. Even if it's just a few dollars, make it a habit to have some cash in your wallet at all times. Next, consider the appearance of your wallet. Many people choose black or gray wallets, believing they convey humility and simplicity. However, these colors may also subconsciously reinforce a scarcity mindset. Instead, consider making a bold change by switching to a red wallet. Vibrant colors like red symbolize abundance and passion and can have a positive psychological impact on your relationship with money. Another important aspect of the magnetic wallet method is to make your wallet appear as though it holds plenty of money, even if it doesn't. This can be achieved by adding some props such as fake bills or receipts to give the illusion of wealth. The idea is to create a visual representation of abundance and attract more of it into your life. It's important to acknowledge that changing your beliefs and mindset takes time and effort. You may encounter skepticism or resistance from others as you embark on this transformative journey. Just like someone cannot become an Olympic gold medalist in a few weeks, transforming your mindset about money requires consistent practice and patience. By implementing the magnetic wallet method and making these practical changes in your everyday life, you can start attracting more money and abundance into your life. Remember, It's not just about the physical actions, but also about shifting your beliefs and mindset towards a more positive and abundant outlook on finances. Now that you've been introduced to the magnetic wallet method and the power of shifting your energy and mindset, let's dive into some daily practices that can enhance your wealth attraction journey. Maintaining a positive money mindset is crucial in attracting wealth. This includes incorporating daily affirmations, visualization exercises, and gratitude practices into your routine. By consistently affirming positive beliefs about money, visualizing your financial goals, and expressing gratitude for the abundance in your life, you create a positive energy that aligns with the law of attraction. One way to cultivate this mindset is by surrounding ourselves with a support system of friends, mentors, or online communities that inspire and encourage us on our financial journey. They can provide guidance, share success stories, and offer valuable insights. As we progress on our financial journey, there are indicators and signs to look out for to know if the law of attraction is working. We have made a dedicated video on these signs. Please do watch at your convenience if you wish to know more about these indicators. Measuring our progress and celebrating small wins along the way can serve as milestones and indications that our mindset is shifting in the right direction. Manifesting wealth goes beyond just improving your financial situation. It has a ripple effect that can transform other areas of your life as well. By taking inspired action and aligning your thoughts with your deeds, you create a harmonious synergy that extends beyond your finances. It's important to understand that attracting wealth is not a one-time effort, but a continuous commitment to maintaining a positive money mindset. The journey towards financial abundance requires consistent practice and reinforcement of positive beliefs. And that's a wrap on our journey towards effortlessly manifesting wealth through the magnetic wallet method and the power of beliefs and mindset. We hope you found this video insightful and gained valuable tools to transform your financial reality. Remember, it all starts with aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the abundance you desire. By consistently implementing the practical steps outlined in this video and incorporating daily practices such as affirmations, visualization, and gratitude, you have the power to create a ripple effect that extends beyond your bank account. Embrace the law of attraction and its role in shaping your financial destiny, and witness how your newfound wealth transforms every aspect of your life. Believe in your ability to effortlessly manifest wealth and let the magnetic power of your wallet attract abundance into your life. The journey to financial abundance starts now. If you enjoyed this video, we kindly request you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We value your support and would love to have you as a part of our community. Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. We truly appreciate your feedback and would love to hear about your progress in your manifestation journey. As we conclude, we send you our heartfelt blessings for success and abundance in all your endeavors. May the manifestation of your dreams continue to unfold beautifully in your life. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, and may you continue to experience the incredible power of the magnetic wallet method. God bless you on your manifestation journey.